I just received my shipment from washwax.com or Aero Composites, which is a waterless or watered wash and wax product. There's my cat Squeaks wanting to help, so we'll go ahead and unbox the package. And actually shipped quite quickly. I ordered it the night of the 15th. They shipped it on the 16th, and it's now the 18th and I have received it. So in the box, this is their Aero Scrubber reusable scrubbing pad. They spray. I'm assuming these are just packing here. Wash wax, this is the pint version. Spray on, wipe dry, wet or waterless. I got the standard package plus an optional. So on the standard package, I believe you get 4 towels, and then with the optional package you get 2 premium towels. So looking here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that part's good, but I seem to be missing my premium towels. Though those towels feel really nice. So I will take a look online and just see. Again, everything that's here looks really nice, and the towels feel wonderful. Almost hate to use them to wash and clean with. As the little girl on Despicable Me, he said, "It's so fluffy!" Okay, so I went back to the website, and instead of being treated poorly, I actually was treated better than I thought. So what they do is they have their package, which was 4 regular towels plus the gallon and the pint and the sprayer for $38, and then for an extra $12 to bring it up to $49.95 instead of $37.95, they said you get premium towels and the Aero scrubber. Well, what I expected was 4 regular towels plus 2 premium towels plus the scrubber. Separately, when you buy them separately, premium towels sell for $11.95 a pair. 4 regular towels sell for $9.95 for 4 of them. So I actually, for your $12, you get $12 worth of towels, plus another $2 upgrade from the 4 to the 2, plus a $7.95 scrubber, plus you get free shipping. So they actually did what they said they were going to do and actually treated me a little better than I expected. So I apologize for grumping a little bit. So again, it looks like a good product, and we'll go try it on the bikes and see how it does. Here my cat's helping again, but just showing that both of the bottles are sealed. Plus they have the one cap had come off, but they have the caps in there to keep them from disconnecting. And in shipment, everything shipped okay, other than the one cap did fall off, I believe, off of the little one in transit. But again, nothing leaked, everything was in good shape. So, okay, on to the bike. In the instruction manual or product guide, in the waterless section, it shows basically spray it on, do a 2x4 section, 2 foot by 4 foot, agitate it with a damp towel if it's dirty, but may not even need that, and then dry it, and it should be good. So again, I'm going to do the waterless right now instead of the wet wash. Okay, so I'm doing the first use of my Aero Cosmetics wash and wax. Take the scrubber and get it wet. But they were saying basically just spray it on. It's supposed to be fairly slick, so you shouldn't spray it on controls or seating areas, or for that matter, tires. So we'll be a little extra careful around the tires. They're saying just use a wet towel, but they also have the scrubber, which they included in the kit. And doesn't say wait particularly anytime, so we'll just do it right now. The bike hasn't been ridden yet today. So I'm going to catch this for a second here. The fairing. Fair amount of bugs on there. It's not really bad. They're coming off nice and easy. A 27-year-old bike, obviously there's some scratches and nicks in the paint that might bother a concours judge, but it's not concerning me. You really spray a little more in there. And get some more water. The ZX600E was one of, if not the first production bikes with ram air. When it came out, it was quite the hot rod. It was right at 100 horsepower, 98 to 100 horsepower. Did well in the superbike races. I think it won the championship either in 92 or 93. I think 93, but I could be wrong with Miguel Duhamel. So I think we picked up all the bugs. And actually, looks like we're good there. Take another quick glance at the instructions. Dry the area with a dry towel before wash wax dries. So we'll take our nice little premium towel. And I'll probably cover it in other reviews on the bike. When I bought this bike, the previous owner or the two previous owners, second previous owner, penultimate previous owner, I guess, just tried to paint everything black that he could paint black. So the windshield is spray painted black from the inside and is no longer clear. Pretty much all the exposed aluminum pieces and some of the non-exposed aluminum got hit with black paint. And he debadged and destickered wherever he could. And I don't really have a problem with that. But it is a little different. Just drop the cloth, so shake it out pretty well. Let's do on the top section of the fender. Probably should have held off on the fender. But it looks like I missed a bug or two. So we'll scrub those again, re-dry. Now that I might hit again with the spray and get some more water on the scrubber. Looks like I've got enough either oil or grease there. Keep the spray off the tires. I really don't need slick tires. And I'm dripping on the tires, so that's not good. I'm suspecting if I were to make a recommendation, on fenders, I would spray onto a cloth, so I will do that in the future, and then wipe with the cloth. Rather than spray directly on the fender is just too close to the tire. It's a non-winning solution there. The other thing that I will do as soon as I get that finished, just wash the tire down well. I don't know if the brake clean on there was a good idea. It probably wasn't. But we'll take and do dish soap on the tire. Wash and rinse the tire off. Does look nice. And I did notice my other brake cap, bleed cap on the left side is missing. So take my own advice here. Hit that spot there. Probably shouldn't use the paper towel. I do have some more other microfiber towels as well. So the back cleans up really nice. That, maybe I let dry a little too much. I'm not as fanatical about washing and waxing and cleaning and polishing as I could be. But just looking at that, I am not unhappy. So I think that will do. I'll spare you the watching the whole thing. But you can see that it actually cleaned up pretty nicely. So I'm not unhappy with that. So far, pleased with the product. To show you what I did, because I'm going to finish cleaning under the bike and do the rest of the stuff, I took 2 old towels, stuffed them up under the fender and wrapped around the tire to keep from getting any liquid stuff on there. That's what I should have done before I started, and also do something similar on the back as I'm doing the back. So that's just not a bad idea. Don't use obviously your good fresh towels, but old towels would be ideal for that, to protect the tires and not wind up getting in a crash because of slick tires.